What's up guys, it's Desert Bug Out back with another video. So this one here is the miniature replica of the Smith & Wesson 945. This one it's kind of like a 1911 style gun that Smith & Wesson made. It's really cool. This miniature, I don't know what the brand is. I don't think it's Alloy Empire or Alloy Army. However, it is pretty good quality. It's solid. It can eject shells. It's got little dummy rounds. That's what the mag looks like. Pull the hammer to fire. It's the same as the 1911 where you have to squeeze the safety in the back and then pull the trigger. Pretty cool. Yeah, nice and solid, and I really like the look of this one. This one looks really dope. But just to compare, I mean, it almost looks like the 1911, just a little bit of a different style. But it's that type. I don't know if they called it, would they call this a 1911 type? I don't know. But this one's the Alloy Empire one. And this one's the, I don't know what brand, but still pretty cool. I think this one it's a little cheaper than the Alloy Empire ones, but it's just as solid. I mean, it's really good. And this one fits if you have the miniature Roni pistol converter. This right here will fit in there, in that converter, along with the lower end Desert Eagle and the replica. But yeah, so that's the little SNW 945 miniature, 1.205 scale, all metal except for the little grip. But yeah, so anyways, if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks for watching. Peace.